Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are going to start unit 6. Its title is Female Education. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about articles and homophones. Before this, in English for grade 3, we have learnt about articles and we have learnt about pair of words, homophones. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch these video lectures again. And we are going to learn further to choose between a, an, and the before words that start with mute consonant letters. Locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pair of words, including homophones. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 2. This is the book, Quran, about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse tells us, this tells us the importance of Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, this is the book in which there is no doubt. Means each and every word of Quran is truth. We should believe in it and we should act upon all the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? And beta, one thing more, I want you to look at the. We know it's an article. So tell me, where do we use a, an, and the? We know about these articles and we have learned the uses. So tell me where to use and what are homophones. You have studied in grade 3 what are homophones. So what do you remember? Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could recall and you have mentioned to your teacher that a or an is used before a singular noun. The first thing, a and an are used before a singular noun and it means one. A book means one book. A chair means one chair, right? They are indefinite articles. A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. What does it mean? When you are using this article before a noun and the noun starts with a consonant sound, you will use a, like a child, right? A child. And if that noun is starting with a vowel sound, every time I tell you, vowel means vowel sound, because we have learned about different situations where vowel sounds are there, okay? So, an ant, right? The is used to indicate some or something, someone or something specific or unique. What does it mean? Means the noun, if it's a person or a place or a thing, and that is specific or unique, then we use the before that. And it is called definite article. For example, the earth, the president, and its identity is known to the reader, right? The. It's not general. A and an are used in general and the is used in specific situation. This we have already done, right? Now there is another situation. If the word begins with a consonant sound, we use a, such as a book and a balloon. This is what I just told you, as well as one. Why one? I have told you because here, now you see, though the letter is vowel, but its sound is consonant. And here, this O is giving W sound, one, right? That's why instead of an, we use one or a one. And a unicorn, again, this U is giving the consonant sound of Y. right? That's why a unicorn, not an unicorn. I have explained it to you in detail, right? So this is the first situation. In second situation, if the word begins with a vowel sound, again, vowel sound, not vowel letter, sound, we use an, such as, now you see this is in this word, the letter is H, but this consonant is mute here. It is a silent letter here, and when we say this word, we don't pronounce this H. We start like honorable, because this is silent, and right after there is a vowel sound, and it becomes a vowel letter. It becomes a word starting with vowel sound. That's why we have used an honorable, not a honorable, an or honorable man, right? Likewise, an hour. Once again, this consonant is silent here. It's a mute consonant, and the beginning sound, the initial sound of this noun is vowel sound, hour. That's why an hour. You got it? This is a new rule we learned, and this is what we are going to practice today, all right? So here is the practice from your book. You will add a, an, or the. Now, the rules which I just told you, you will keep the rules in your mind, and you will select one of the article from here to complete the blanks and to complete the sentences, okay? So pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with the use of article? Good job. I hope you have understood this wrinkle. This picture is telling you what wrinkles are, okay? All right, the next concept we are going to learn is homophones. Homo means same. Homo, same. And phone means sound. So homophones are words that sound the same. Means when you say them, you sound the same sound, but they have different meanings and spellings. Their meanings and spellings both are different, though they sound same. For example, peer and peer, fear and fear. These are two different words, but their meanings are different, their spellings are different, but they have same sounds. That's why they are homophones, right? This is what we are already done with this concept. So, what does your book say about it? Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. For example, here are the examples given, right? So, after learning these concepts, let's practice it through an activity. Are you ready for that? Okay. Same or different reaction. Okay, what we are going to do? Same or different idea can be used in reacting games. If students see or hear words that sound the same, they do one thing. This is up to teacher what she is going to decide. She can even give them to hold up their right arm, or run and touch one wall, or hold up a card that says same. Okay? Teacher will say the words and students will respond. Either they are same, and for same they will do a typical thing. And if the words are pronounced differently, they do opposite. Okay? This is how we are going to practice homophones. So pause the video, enjoy this beautiful activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I hope you enjoyed it. Now settle down, calm down, because we are going to practice this concept from book. Fill in the blanks with correct homophones. Now a sentence is there and there are two homophones. You have to select one with correct spelling, because we know they sound same but they are two different words. So you have to select the correct word to complete this sentence, which goes with the correct meaning. Okay? So pause the video, complete this exercise in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. So it's time for your homework. You will write a short paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, by using articles and homophones. Okay, so the concept which we learn, article and homophones, you will mix it up and you will write a paragraph. Here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you are going to complete these sentences by using correct article. So what we have learned today, we have learned to choose between a, an, and the before words that start with mute consonant letters. And we learned to locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pairs of words including homophones. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to choose between a or an and the before words that start with mute consonant letters, and locate, identify, differentiate between, and use some simple pairs of words including homophones. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing, take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.